Hey guys, THC here again, the Happy Cultivator. And we got another new little toy here to unbox. Associated's RC28. It's a 28th scale version of the original RC10. So it says right here to open the garage door before displaying. So let's open the garage door, guys. It's even a little bit bigger than I expected. Really cool. Let's check out the back here and see what this has in it. It's got an integrated charging jack, simple as plug in, charge and go. Fully pre-printed and decaled replica body, realistic wheels and rubber tires. 2.4 gigahertz transmitter with convenient built-in charging cable. So you just plug this right into the transmitter is what it looks like. We've got the factory seal here. So let's take it out and really get a hands-on look at this buggy. I'm really excited to drive this one. I like the small cars. They're really fun and they have all the features. I do have a Team Losi Micro T as well. I just need to get a new battery for it. Okay, here we go. We've got a nice open box here. Well, okay, it seems to be attached to this background here, so there you go. That's how it comes out of the box. And down at the bottom of the box, you have a little baggie here, which I believe are all your manuals. So let me open this up real quick. Okay, I have it opened up. Let's pull this stuff out here. And we have, that's interesting. It's actually all the decal sheet that the decals came off of. Why they put that in there, I have no idea. We have a declaration of conformity. Right there. We have a little flyer here for Club Racer kits for the B6 and the B64 RC10. So on the back here we have a little advertisement for their online products. And then we come to the simple, quick, easy instructions, just one sheet and then a parts list on the back. Okay, let's take her out. Looks like we have the transmitter. Oh, they even provided the batteries. How generous of them. Let me get something to cut that cable tie real quick. I'll pull this out. Okay, we got the transmitter here. And they gave us the batteries. So I will go ahead and throw the batteries in there and check and make sure this transmitter works. And then I'm go ahead and plug her in. When I opened it up to put the batteries in, I found that this is where the charging cable is. So you just pull that out right there and plug that into the car. So let me put these batteries in real quick. So you go ahead and you pull this little cable right here, and it has a little channel that you can put it in, and then you shut the batteries, just like that. The car was held down by one single twist tie. So I will remove that, of course, make sure that the car is turned off. So now all I got to do is plug it in, and I see that the charging port is right there on the side. I wanted to show you plugged in charging, and I wanted to show you how the body goes on. There's your charge light on your transmitter letting you know it's charging, And then if you look, it's just got two little pegs that pop out and some Velcro, and that's how this body goes on. So you just kind of pull it around and put it on those tabs. Of course, pretty cool. So there you go, the RC28 from Team Associated. This is going to be charging up right now, and then once it charges up and I go for a run, then I'll go ahead and make a video of how this thing runs and give you guys a little review of what I think of the RC28 by Team Associated. So remember, guys, always cultivate happiness and keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden.